Let's make this presentation in PowerPoint. Take a rectangle. Right-click, then click on Format Shape. Select No Line and select a background color. Add desired images. Add a text box and write the title of your presentation. Increase text size, select any bold font and then select white color. Add logo or any image. Duplicate the slide. Remove the logo and bring the first image on top. Write the title. Make it bigger and bold. Duplicate the slide, remove the first logo, bring the next logo on top, and change the title again. Repeat the same process for the last slide. Select all the slides, then select Fade Transition. That's it. Subscribe our channel for more PowerPoint tutorials.